Hello again, a new day, a new project, another fixing hopefully. You see I have a subwoofer here. This was fixed before and it have a TDA 7294 power amplifier here. Unfortunately this one it's kaput. And not only that one, even an electrolytic blew up, look here, and it's absolutely missing, never happens. I didn't find it anymore. I'm afraid I have not only to replace the power IC, but I'm gonna have a different approach. I ordered a new module, and this consists of two amplifiers in bridge. Hopefully doing a much better job. That's what I'm looking for. That's not made with 7224, it's made with, let's see, 7295. Okay, you see it's almost the same. This goes to higher voltage. And we have the instructionals here. Okay, so here is the schematic. It's a very simple bridged schematic. Alright, so we have the power supply, plus and minus here, the loudspeaker output, and of course the signal input, and this is a standby switch. Well, I don't need that, so this one will be just on all the time, you know. So, standby goes to the ground, and the other one to plus. Okay, we'll see about this later. So I already can take this out because it bothers me doing the mechanical part of the things. Yeah, that's the middle going to plus here. We'll do a strap. And there we're gonna have a piece of wire. Flux, of course. Okay, and now the amplifier should be on all the time. Okay, now comes the hard part of the things. Let me see how can I plant this mechanically. So I have to take this out, but I have to keep the power supply and the rectifier because I need it for this one. There is no power supply. So this is out, and look at this guy. It's impossible to fix it anymore. It's absolutely gone. So I just getting rid of this, but of course I'm gonna keep the heatsink, and I have to see how I can do this mechanically. I'll keep just the rectifier. It was burning. Oh, this is mica. Okay, I got this, guys. Spacers and washers, and I'm gonna reuse this. I need to have this in place properly because I need this going like this. Yeah, why not? Yeah, of course. That's in the middle somehow. If you take it the other way, mechanically, it's pretty okay. This will be power for the preamp here. We have a preamp and also a subwoofer filter. We need two holes down here. We need some isolating washers and of course screws. I hate this thermal paste. You know, it's everywhere. Okay, one is in place. I can see the paste going under, and we are pretty good here. It's pretty solid. That's the first step, and let's get ready for the second part, connections and tests. At this stage it's very important to check if we don't have a short to the heatsink, to the ground, because this is ground finally. We are very good here and very good here. Yeah, looking good. So here we have a differential power supply. What is that, a differential power supply? So we have a transformer. This goes to mains. And here we have two secondary coils. And it goes like this. This one goes to the ground and the other two are going to the rectifier bridge, and this is AC, and from the bridge we have a plus and a minus. And here we have capacitors like this, and minus and plus, and the middle goes to the ground. And obviously we have, let's say, plus 25 volts, minus 25 volts. This is a differential power supply. I love to have plus with red color. Okay, these are pretty good here. Maybe clean them a little bit. Now we can try to have the things back together. It's pretty solid mechanically. Input. This is the loudspeaker output, and we have plus is down. This is the loudspeaker output. Plus is here. And minus is there. Okay. This is minus. Obviously ground in the middle, but okay, minus and plus here. I'm gonna only have power to the preamp to see if we have the right voltages there. Okay, and this is plus, of course. Fuses, very important. Let me check it. Perfect. Power off. Let's plug in the mains. I don't have the power amplifier connected. It's just the preamp. And power on. Yeah, we have the LED running. That means we are good to go. Let me check the voltages here. 24, perfect. 25.6. That should be okay. Okay, let's connect this. So this is plus here for sure. There's the power. Okay, so here we have the input. Black is ground and white is the signal. Perfect. And I have a loudspeaker here, just a small one for testing. Hopefully it's okay. No short here. Everything looks fine. Okay, guys. Let's cross fingers. Let's cross fingers. Ready? Perfect. We are good to go. That's it for today. The project, it's working. The amplifier, it's alive again. It's pretty okay, pretty stable. Of course, there's nothing more I can do for now. Hopefully this is fixed well mechanically and thermically. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed. And please like, subscribe. You see, number one, don't forget to have fun. Bye bye.